Ke sorkar Meghalaya pok jinglamu menteri rangba u Conrad kongkal sangma. Haka arpusau terik unai wiang arhajar arpuar ke letje kendo ya menteri korbari ke sorkar pleng Amit Shah ha New Delhi. Haka bakal kerpat ban pak tokit haka CBI ne ke NIA halor ke jingset ke pulit Assam megi ngut kirang ba khasi haka senong Mukroh ke distrik West Jantia Hills. Haka ni ke jing kendo ya Amit Shah laidon lang sembut menteri rangba aga jela ubah prestun tunsong. Ki menteri sorkar berkentup ubah ala kemen rumbui, ubah renik ton leng dok tongkar bat ubah hamlet son doling, bat kehe officer jong sorkar pereng. U Conrad kongkal sangma habai keren bekinong patai kubur hadin keji kendo yu Amit Shah. Uli tu bagi pynsngew hu halor ke jingshah Mukroh, bat labatai kidau balam syakade ke jingshah. Bat kila kentu ke sorkar pereng bantung dak kenhun toket lagade ke CBI ne ke NIA. Ban penti kena ban toket benia bat ban lap ke jingshah baro bat penistom dak beteng ikitu kebedan keti hag ban shim ke jing embrio. U Conrad kongkal sangma ule tho bu Amit Shah ula penti kena bag sorkar kantung ya ke kenhun toket. Bat ha kenong por kan sepenmi ke jing pen menapat ba halor ke jingtung ya ke kenhun toket. U Conrad kongkal sangma ule tho ru bakle kerana kebedai bag jinglong jingman kam tam ha ki jaka. Kibadai hiki than kap puat ha ka bajudan ke jeng ka japut baik la kerpat ke sorkar India kan syem ke senjam ke ban pentikna babro artli ke sorkar jela kini trilang ban pentikna bakum kini ke jingja kin om jashu hadin habut uli tu bagle keren ru alor ki wei pat kimat ki bakentup ke jingrawa ban pendrung no ya ka ketien khasi bat garo ha ka schedule jong riti sensyari ban pentri kamno ek lain permit bat ban sya no ya sorkar jela bakanya cekmat haga ban pentri kam ya ka MRSSA ha ka jela.
We explained and we gave a detail of the different circumstances that led to the incident as per the information that was received by us. And apart from that, we have also seen that statements have come from the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam that the entire incident in the shooting that took place was unprovoked and there was excess use of power by the police from Assam. And keeping that in mind, we have requested the Government of India to constitute a central agency inquiry into this entire incident that took place, either through CBI or through NIA or any appropriate agency, so that the truth can come out. And more importantly, action is taken against those who are responsible for this inhuman act. The Honorable Union Home Minister has given us the assurance that he will constitute an inquiry under a central agency, and the order for that should be coming out anytime. And we thank the Honorable Union Home Minister for his positive response. Apart from that, we shared with the Honorable Union Home Minister that the root cause of the entire tension that has been building up in that area and other areas has to do with the long pending border issue between the two states. And different incidents have led to the situation becoming more tense, which ultimately led to the situation where about a couple of days back where this unfortunate incident happened. And therefore it is very important that all efforts should be made to ensure that the border dispute is settled, and now that this incident has happened, the talks that were going forward has hit a certain hurdle, and there is a lot of area where trust has to be built, and hence the intervention of Government of India will be necessary in that front. We also discussed about the security and safety of the people in the border area, especially in the sensitive zones and the disputed zones. And we urged the Government of India to initiate a process to ensure that both the state governments come together to ensure that such kind of incidents do not take place in the future.